Mga ka-friendship, pagod ka na ba sa work mo at gusto mo na bang mag-resign? Bago mo gawin yan, nako, panoorin mo muna itong video na ito.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Maraming salamat for tuning into this channel, to channel ng mga paunlad at mga payaman. Okay, to resign or not to resign from work? Yan ang biggest question po right now. So marami po mga tao po ngayon ay siguro ay nai-stress na, no? If you are one of them, nai-stress ka na sa work environment, sa office politics, at di mo na kayang i-handle ang pressure, nagkakaroon ka ng mental, emotional, and also yung tinatawag natin na stress na hindi mo na talagang kaya, no? At sinasabi mo,
I think it's about for me to resign.
pero bago mo gawin yan, ang gagawin lang po natin, let us look muna at this concern objectively, not emotionally. And one thing that I've learned in life, if you are emotional about a situation and gumawa ka ng emotional decision, when you are upset, angry, frustrated, 90% of the decision that you are going to make is going to be a wrong one and you are going to regret it for the rest of your life. So, tignan po natin, number one, alternative. Let's talk about pros and cons. Resigning from your current job, di ba? Ang advantage and pros, syempre, may new opportunities ka, di ba? At parang feeling mo, makakawala ka na sa problem at saka sa stress mo ngayon. And for some people, syempre, ma-achieve mo yung mga personal goals mo, or if not naman, mga iba naman, gusto magkaroon ng work-life balance. Gusto mo talagang more time with the family, kaya nga iniisip mo rin na mag-work from home ka na lang. In other words, marami siyang magagandang opportunity. However, may cons din po siya. Ano po yung cons natin? Number one, ang cons po natin, syempre, yung financial uncertainty during the transition. Ang unang tanong ko, may lilipatan ka na ba? Or number two, may emergency fund ka ba? Kung talagang gusto mo mag-resign, wala ka pang security. What if kung lumipat ka sa kabilang trabaho at di mo rin magustuhan yung working environment, yung mga tao, at the same time, mas malala pa sa current situation mo. In other words, yung office politics and stress. So, wala kang certainty. And I'm not trying to scare you, okay? But that's a reality that you should consider. Let's say, if you want to continue naman with your employment, ano na ang pros? Ang pros, syempre, may financial stability ka, consistent ang income mo, and then number two, magkakaroon ka ng job security, familiar ka na sa nangyayari, alam mo na to navigate, and then, syempre, may mga benefits ka na kukuha sa company. However, may cons naman. Ang cons naman, you will live in constant stress. That's number one. And also, yung probably wala ka ng career growth. Maybe you're not stressed out with the company, pero ano ka na, bored ka na. Sinasabi mo, wala na akong growth sa company, tapos nagkakaroon ka na ng dissatisfaction. And since you are staying right now too long, and the one that's really preventing you from making the decision and making the leap is what we call as fear. Fear of the unknown, fear of the future, fear na hindi ma siya mag-work. So, you're missing out on opportunities. So, kung titignan po natin,
Ano ba ang chances ko, Chinky, pag ako ay nag-resign at para ma-increase ko yung chances ko para ako ay mag-succeed?
ito lang. Number one, kung meron ka na talagang unang lilipatan, siguradong lilipatan, syempre naman, mas ma-increase yung chances mo, di ba? Parang, tumalong ka sa swimming pool, make sure pag tumalong ka, may tubig, di ba? And then next, another one that can really increase your chance of succeeding when you transfer is your personal determination na sasabihin mo na talagang,
Enough is enough, ayaw ko na ito, I will do whatever it takes.
the next question that you need to also ask yourself mentally and emotionally, are you ready for change? Are you ready for something that is new? Pag sinasabing mong yes, I think you should consider. However, ito naman po, pag ikaw naman, hindi ka pa mentally and emotionally ready, tapos wala kang talagang pupuntahan, wala kang backup, wala kang ring emergency fund, alam mo, kapatid, ito lang po, unsolicited advice, palipasin mo muna. Baka ang mangyari po kasi, instead na mapakaganda ang pag-alis mo at paglipat mo, lalo pa siyang mapasama. Diba? Imagine mo, nakawala ka nga, diba, sa stress office, pero nagkaroon ka naman ng financial stress kasi wala kang trabaho, naghahanap ka, tapos wala kang emergency fund. So, paano siyang tumalong ka sa pinipiritong mantika na paso ka, tumalong ka, at nung tumalong ka, pumunta ka dun sa may apoy na sunog. So, nagigets nyo ba? So, right now, after considering all of this already, I suggest na talagang pag-aralan mo, number one, pag-isipan mo, and then also talk to someone. makipag-usap ka sa mga tao na talagang malalapit sa iyo, mga mentors mo, mga coaches mo, who can really speak some sense to you. So, sana naman nakaluwag-luwag at na-enlighten ang mind mo right now, mga friendship, ka-friendship, mga kaiponaryo, kung meron kang talagang gustong gawing financial decision, lalo na ang pagre-resign. So, kung nagustuhan niyo itong episode na ito, please, number 1, ang request ko lang, i-share niyo itong episode na ito with your other friends, relatives, no? Cut paste niyo lang. Number 2, please also comment, ano yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon? I want to hear you out. And then number 3, kung ano naman, meron kayong mga gustong itanong po sa akin, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section and I will try my best to make some video for you. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.